How to watch ESPN outside the US. Watching ESPN outside the US lets you catch all your favorite sports events and shows that might not be available in you locally. Now here's how we are going to get this done. Here in Google, I want you to go ahead and look for ESPN Plus. Go ahead and click this one right here. And as you can see right away, it says the page now found. It means that it's not really available for us. Now in order for us to fix this, we're gonna need a VPN. So I'm just going to recommend you this one right here. It's purevpn.com. PureVPN currently has more than 80% discount offer plus a 31-day money-back guarantee. Additionally, if you use the code PURE15, you can get an additional 15% discount. So if you are interested, click the link in the description or the comment section below for you to avail this. Now I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to go ahead and find the platform or the program. So here, this is for Windows. I'm just going to click this one in order to download it. Go ahead and click try for free on Windows. Now after downloading this one, you're going to have to install it, and once you have installed it, it's going to look like this. Now go ahead and click this one right here. After doing so, go ahead and look for the locations down here. So again, we are going to choose the US, so I'm going to click this one. Alright, seems like we are already connected, and we're going to go back here. Now we're just going to go back and click this once again. And there you go. So now we are able to access this one. So from this point forward, go ahead and click the login button in order for you to access this one. And yeah, that is how you are going to do it. And once again, if you are interested in the offers and services I mentioned, go ahead and try PureVPN now and avail 80% worth of discount plus the use of a coupon code PURE15 for an additional 15% off. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe and leave this video a like if it helps you out.